Hello, dear students. Welcome back to yet another Shona lesson. In today's lesson, I'm going to take you through a few verbs and we're going to conjugate them in the past, present, and future tenses so that it can help you when you are speaking to people. You can then speak eloquently. You won't struggle or stammer. Okay, so I've chosen about 8 verbs that we're going to go through and practice together. I would suggest that you repeat after me, listen and repeat. Repeating helps you to practice the language. So the first verb that I have for you is kumanya. Kumanya, which means to run. Okay, so the ku, which is the prefix of the verb, means to. Manya, run, kumanya. So, how do you say, I ran? Yesterday, I ran. Nezuro, which means yesterday. Nezuro, ndakamanya. Nezuro, ndakamanya, meaning, yesterday, I ran. Yesterday, I ran. And to say, today, I ran. You would say, nasi ndamanya. Nasi ndamanya. Although it's in the past, when you say ndamanya, it means it's an action that you've already done. But if you don't add the ka to say ndamanya, it means it's an action that you did today. So, nasi ndamanya. How about if it's an action that you are actually doing right now, today, which is like present continuous? Ndiri kumanya. Nasi, ndiri kumanya. Today, I'm running. Nasi, ndiri kumanya. Let me give you a tip here when you are speaking. As you can hear, I'm saying ndiri kumanya because that is how it's written, ndiri kumanya. But it's common when people are speaking to say something like nasi ndrukumanya. Nasi ndrukumanya, almost like you're saying ndrukumanya. Nasi ndrukumanya. Okay? And how about if you're talking about tomorrow, an action that you'll be doing tomorrow, in this case, running. Tomorrow, I will be running, or tomorrow, I am running. You would say, mangwana, ndichamanya. Ndicha means I will. Tomorrow, I will run. How about if you're saying, tomorrow, I'm running? You can say, mangwana, ndiri kumanya. Tomorrow I'm running. Mangwana, ndiri kumanya. Ndiri kumanya. Okay, let's move on to the next verb. And this time, we can do it together so that you get to practice how to conjugate the tenses. Okay? Let's use the verb kutaura, to speak. Kutaura. Remember, the root of this verb is taura. Ku is the prefix, which means to. Kutaura. How do you say I'm speaking? Like right now, I'm speaking to you. I'm speaking. Ndiri kutaura. Ndiri kutaura. Ndiri kutaura. Ndiri kutaura. I'm speaking. How do you say, I speak? Ndino taura. Ndino taura. Ndino taura. That means something that you do regularly or you do occasionally, you do often. Okay? How about something you did yesterday? If this speaking you did yesterday. Nezuro ndakataura. Nezuro ndakataura means yesterday I spoke. Nezuro ndakataura. How about yesterday I was speaking? Yesterday I was speaking. Nezuro. Ndaitaura. Ndaitaura means it's an action which was continuous, but it happened in the past. Nezuro ndaitaura. How about the future? How do you say, tomorrow I will speak? Mangwana, ndichataura. Ndicha means I will. Ndichataura. Mangwana ndichataura. Mangwana ndichataura. And if it's going to be a continuous process, future continuous, you would say, mangwana ndiri kutaura. It's okay. Mangwana ndiri kutaura. Mangwana ndiri kutaura. Mangwana ndiri kutaura. Okay. Let's take another verb. Kudya, to eat. Kudya, to eat. If you want to say, I eat, meaning it's an action that you do every day. I eat. You would say, ndinodya. Ndinodya. And to say, I'm eating. Right now, I'm eating. Ndiri kudya. Ndiri kudya. Ndiri kudya. Ndiri kudya. Meaning I'm eating. How about if you are talking about something you've already done today, not yesterday? Ndadya. Or maybe if you want to say, I've already eaten, you would say, ndatodya. I've already eaten. Ndatodya. But to say, I've eaten, you would say, ndadya. And if it's an action you did yesterday, you would say, ndakadya. Nezuro ndakadya sadza. Nezuro ndakadya sadza. Yesterday I ate sadza. Nezuro ndakadya sadza. How about in the future? How do you say, I will eat? Ndichadya. Mangwana ndichadya. Or if you are talking about something you do a little bit later. Like maybe in the evening, you would say, Maneru ndichadya. In the evening, I will eat. Ndichadya. Okay? How about nyora, to write? That's another verb. Nyora. Kunyora is to write. How do you say, I'm writing? Right now, I'm writing. Ndiri kunyora. Ndiri kunyora. Ndiri kunyora. But spoken, ndiri kunyora. I'm writing. And if you want to say, I write, an action that you do regularly every day, I write. Ndinonyora. Ndinonyora mabhuku. I write books. Ndinonyora mabhuku. I write books. How about in the past? Ndakanyora. I wrote. Ndakanyora tsamba. I wrote a letter. Ndakanyora tsamba. How about if it's an action that you were doing continuously in the past? Ndainyora tsamba. Ndainyora tsamba. I was writing a letter. Ndainyora tsamba. How about the future? I will write. I will write a letter. Ndichanyora tsamba. Ndichanyora tsamba. Remember, ndicha means I will. Ndichanyora tsamba. Kurwara means to be sick. Okay? I'm sick. Right now I'm sick. Ndiri kurwara. Ndiri kurwara. Ndiri kurwara. Ndiri kurwara. Spoken. Ndiri kurwara. I'm sick. How about if you want to say, I'm sick all the time. I'm sick all the time, every time. Ndinorwara. Ndinorwara. It means all the time, I'm always sick. Ndinorwara. How about if it's something that is already passed, that it happened yesterday, last week, last year? Ndakarwara. I got sick. Ndakarwara. I got sick. Ndairwara. I was sick. Ndairwara. I was sick. And in the future, ndicharwara. I will get sick. Ndicharwara. I will get sick. Okay, let's just try another one. Let's do the last one now. To go. Kuyenda is to go. Okay, if you want to say I'm going, you would say ndiri kuyenda. Ndiri kuyenda, but spoken ndiri kuyenda. Ndiri kuyenda na Farai. I'm going with Farai. Ndiri kuyenda na Farai. How about in the past? I was going with Farai. Ndaienda na Farai. Ndaienda na Farai. I was going with Farai. Or ndakayenda na Farai, which means I went with Farai. Ndakayenda na Farai. And in the future, I will go with Farai. Ndichayenda na Farai. Ndichayenda na Farai. If you want to say I'm going with Farai, meaning in the future I'm going with Farai, you just say ndiri kuyenda with Farai, and the context will show whether you're talking about the future or you're talking about the present continuous. For example, if you say mangwana ndiri kuyenda na Farai, it means tomorrow I will be going with Farai. So the context will show whether you're talking about today or tomorrow. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, remember to leave a like, to share, and to comment, or to just say, hello, my Mudzidzisi. I would really appreciate it. See you in the next one.